Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to gift games on Steam, whether it's someone's birthday, special occasion, or just feeling like surprising your favorite gamer. Now let's begin. Open your Steam account and make sure you log in. Now in the homepage, scroll down and navigate the Steam gift cards at the left content. Click send a digital Steam gift card. Now in here you need to select the amount of your gift card. And after that, you need to choose a friend whom you want to give the gift and tap continue. Now, you need to enter its first name and a message. So, you need to select sentiments too and your signature. After that, tap continue. In here, you need to select your payment method. So, there are different options here like PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, GCash, and eClub points. For now, I'll use PayPal and tap continue. Tap PayPal. Now we need to bind our PayPal account to our Steam account. So just input your PayPal details. And after that, you will get a confirmation screen and the e-gift games will be gifted to your friend. And if you like this video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more updates.